What do you think overall?
I like it.
Have you ever seen these before,
No,
the pro
I've
hair
not.
ties?
No.
You haven't seen like online ads or something maybe?
No.
Nothing? Okay, cool. So I'm going to show you real quick. Just go ahead and grab any color here. The top one's glow in the dark. Okay, awesome. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put it in your hair.
Oh yeah, it holds it good.
How's it feel? Pretty good?
Yeah.
Does it feel like it's pulling at all? Or?
No.
Yeah? Do you think it's going to slide out throughout
No,
the
it's
day?
not.
Yep. And then just...
Yep. It just slipped right out. Yeah. My hair's a mess.
Is that pretty easy to take out?
Yes.
Or, I mean, obviously it takes once or twice to get used to finding
Well,
the
no,
clasp.
once I found it, it just rolled right out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think overall?
I like it.
Cool. Would you recommend people with thick hair to try it?
Yes,
or?
definitely, because it goes around, it stretches good, but it's still
Right.
got the tight hold.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
You're just going to wear it?
I'm just gonna wear it. I'm just gonna wear it.
All right, you can keep that one.